All right, set that form right there. Make sure it's flush. Hammer it in. Is it lined up? Hold it there, I'm sending the nails in now. Looks good, keep going. Hold it steady, it's level now. Copy that, driving the screw in. We need the next stud at 48 inches. Hold it steady, bring it down easy now.
All right, watch the connection point on your side.
Set it down slow, we're clear. Make sure that fits snugly against the edge. Yeah, that looks right. I'll start the next roll.
Hold it steady right there. Positioning the lift now. Almost in place. Roof is sealed. Walls are prepped.
Watch the left side. Okay, push it up now. Okay, push it up next.